it's Genie and welcome back again to my channel. So this time we're going to unbox this special gift to myself since it was my birthday last week. So we're going to unbox this one, and thank you so much to the one who assisted us in the Podium Promax Center, Miss Chingy, since she was the one who assisted us in order to purchase this one. And likewise to our friend Marie. Yeah. And you know, this has a history because for almost 2 weeks we're finding about this unit and we're very unsuccessful to find this one. It was always out of stock, and according to the sales agents in the Promax centers, they have said that there were only 2 units available and from Boracay, and the other one I forgot. So the most important thing is after 2 weeks, finally they have restocked. It was launched last October 13th, but it was released on November 13th and out of stock during the 15th of December onwards, and it was just restocked this the second week of this month, January. So I'm very excited, and let's do unboxing.